morning. Today we'll be learning about ordering of numbers in our mathematics. So when we talk about ordering of numbers, we'll be introducing you to some symbols. So, and we call them inequality signs or symbols. So basically we have three inequality signs. We have the less than, less than is this way, draw it this way, you can see it looks like letter L, but it's not letter L, or it looks like letter L. So this is less than. The second inequality sign is greater than, this way. This is greater than. And the last one is equals to equals to. We are very familiar with equals to. So those are the signs we're going to be learning about. So there are so many rules to these signs. The first rule says when a smaller number is in front of a bigger number, we use less than. Yes. So you can see this 5.
I want to take a minute somewhere.
So there
Two
is
and a half
a
class.
there is a bracket. We
Yes, I
have
know.
10.
Yes, I know.
So 5, what's going to be in the middle in the box? Less than. Why is it less than? Less than because 5 is a small number. 5 is a small number, and this is 5. It is a small number, and 10 is a what? Is a big number. So let's count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So which one is bigger? 10. So since 5 is in front, that means 5 is less than 10. 5 is less than 10. Okay, so let's try another one. Let's try another. Let's try another number. Let's try another number. Let's try Let's try 7 and 9. So who can tell me which number is smaller? 7 is smaller than 9. So we can say 7 is less than 9. Yes. So whenever you see a smaller number in front of a bigger number, we say it is less than. So 7 is less than 9 because if you count 7 and you count 9, you see that 7 is a small number and 9 is bigger than 7. So this is when we use less than. So the next rule, which is the second rule, says when a bigger number is in front of a smaller number, we use greater than. Okay, when a bigger number is in front of a smaller number, we use greater than. So let's see, this is 7 and this is 4. 7 is greater than 4. Yes, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7 and this is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one is greater? 7, obviously. 7 is greater than 4. So we can say 7 is greater than 4. So this is the sign for greater. 7 is greater than 4. So if we use a number like 9 and let's say 3. So which number is greater? 9 is greater than 3. So we put the greater than sign in the middle. 9 is a big number, while 3 is a small number. And since 9 is in front of the small number, we say 9 is bigger than 3. So this is 9 is bigger or is greater than 3. And that is the sign. So let's do a quick revision. Uh, let's see this. So let's have this. Let's assume this is a, okay, let's assume this is a box. Okay, let's see this box. Okay, then we have another box here. Wow, this is huge. We can see Yes, this box here, this box is smaller than this box because this one is bigger. So since the smaller box is in front, we can say this box is less than this box. So this one is small and this one is big. The same thing applies to your number. When you see a smaller number in front of a bigger number, you can say it is bigger than. It is what it is. The number is, if you see a small number in front of a bigger number, you can say that number is less than, because it is a small number. So 5 is less than 10 and 7 is less than 9. So this one also, I said rule number 2 says when a bigger number is in front of a smaller number, we use greater than. So let's see. Now we are going to draw a big box here, and we are going to draw a very small box here. Okay, so that means this big box is bigger or greater than this small box. So what is the sign? This is the greater than sign. This is the greater than sign. So this big box is greater than the small one. So the last rule is, rule number 3 is equals to sign. Equals to means they are the same. So when you see two numbers beside each other, it means they are the same. You can see 8 is equal to 8. When you count 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you count this other 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They are actually the same. No one is bigger, no one is smaller. So we can say this is equals to this. It is the same. Okay, so we can say 2 is equal to 2. When you count 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 equals 2. So this number and this number are the same. So you can just put the equals to sign. Okay, so we're going to be using our alligator to explain more about the greater than and the less than sign. Okay, so when the alligator is looking at the left hand side, okay, when the alligator is looking at the left hand side, it is what? Greater than. Okay, and when the alligator is looking at the right hand side, it is called the less than sign. You can see the alligator here is facing what side? Is facing the left hand side, while this one is facing the right hand side. Okay, and this is what? The less than sign, and this is the equal to sign. So when you remember your alligator, you should be able to remember your symbols. Look at this alligator. Where is it looking? Where is it facing? Okay, this is the greater than, and when it's facing this side, it is the less than sign. So let's see this. The alligator is actually facing the left hand side. It's facing the left hand side. Yes, and this means it is greater than. That means, and you remember the rule, the second rule says when it is greater than, that means a bigger number must be in front. So let's do 10. What number is 10 greater than? Greater than numbers like 9, 8, 7. So let's just pick 6. Yes, 10 is greater than 6. So look at the alligator facing this side, this other side, facing the right hand side. And it is what? It means less than. And when it is less than, you should know that it is a small number that will be in front. So let's do 2 is less than what number? Is less than 4. 2 is less than 4. Okay, so watch this video for more understanding. I'm going to be using my hand to demonstrate the less than and the greater than sign. So this is my right hand side. So if you want to get the greater than sign, you use your right hand side, and when you bend it this way, it gives you the greater than sign. The greater than sign. Your right hand side, when you bend it, it gives you the greater than sign. Then the less than sign, you use your left hand side. Your left hand is this way, it gives you the less than sign. So your left hand side, when you bend it, gives you the less than sign. And your less than sign also looks like letter L. Thank you. All right. Thank you so much. If you have any question, please do send through the comment box. Thank you and have a great day.